I'm Vin of the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami Beach, Florida, May 18th through 20th. Head down, check out 15,000 plus attendees, 2,000 plus companies, and 150 plus speakers, including people like Matt Odell, Alex Gladstein, Lynn Alden, Michael Saylor, and many more to be announced. This will be my fourth time attending. Don't miss it. b.tc/conference. Use code BTC Sessions at checkout for 10% off.
I'm bullish about Bitcoin because Bitcoin provides a pathway to individual sovereignty. I think it enables individuals to truly experience freedom. So Bitcoin, I think, really as a way of challenging individuals, helps you think about what is and is not important in your life, but also brings really a heightened awareness of self and peace of mind. I think it helps people become present in the moment, but also enables the low time preference. So now you can really think truly about the future. And I think for that individual sovereignty and that freedom, it's connecting 8 billion humans in the world for this in the network, where now we can transact with one another and exchange our services or products or whatever value we want to provide to the world and receive that value back, and really opening up to that world. So for me, I love traveling, and last year, this time I was actually living in Bali with my wife, and I was doing a yoga teacher training. And during this 3-week course, we really dove into a lot of philosophy and principles of yoga. And as I was already along my Bitcoin journey and Bitcoin rabbit hole, and really only found it, I'd say, at the end of 2020, and then really digging in 2021, I started seeing all the similarities there around individual freedom and being able to, just like in Bitcoin, you can always tap into the network. It's open to anyone. Well, you can always tap into yourself, and you can go deeper and understand yourself. And going and interacting with Bitcoin, I think, with others around the world and seeing the different perspective, getting out of our, the US or Western bubble, was also key for me in seeing that individual sovereignty.